All right. Oh, crooked there. All right. I am gonna open up one of my weak hives, the one that I think swarmed, and I'm gonna see if it's laying any babies. See if they made a new queen in there. So it's that one right there. Gonna check that one out. So I will set. Let me see here. All right. I'm trying. I got this on a tripod, and it's at an angle, but it's not. There we go. Wasn't turning quite right. Okay, that might be good. Now, over here. I'm gonna shut this off. This tripod thing that keeps moving. There we go. I think you can see that, right? Move you back just a hair. There we go. Okay. See what we got in here. Oh wow, quite a few bees in there. That's a really good sign, actually. I'll have to see. It looks like the water's about gone. Pull one of these frames up. This is my new tool. Colleen got me. New beehive tool. I think the bee likes it. Probably blurry. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna smoke these yet. They're doing okay right now. I got plenty of other ones that I'll probably have to smoke. There's nothing in this one, or nothing on this frame. I don't think there's anything on this frame either. Nope. Just the wax I put on there. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Nothing there. Got a little nectar right there in them holes. That's a little capped over honey right there. Not a whole lot there though. Set this back in here. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, that's a bunch of capped over honey there. I had a short frame on here, so they started building below the frame. This side, that's a bunch of capped over honey. I see some pollen in there and nectar. I don't see no. Ooh, almost dropped it. I don't see no baby bees though. But that's an outer frame, so that's probably why. Hopefully, we'll see baby bees, because that'll mean we got a queen. If we don't have a queen, if we're queenless, we might have a problem. That's the oil with the beetle trap. I'm going to try a Swiffer sweeper, one of the dry Swiffer sweepers. You lay it across the top, that catches beetles too. I just don't have a right now. Okay, let's see what this is. The reflection off of that other hive, the top of the hive, is blinding me. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is lighter. Oh, it almost looks like capped over brood. Not much, but let's see, I should have a flashlight somewhere here. I need to see. What did I do with that flashlight? Oh boy. I don't know what I'd do with it. I swear I had my flashlight with me. Oh, back pocket? No. Huh. Guess where I had that flashlight. I guess not. Okay, I need to stop moving so fast. Let's see if I can see a little baby bee in there. I'll bring it out in the light. Hang on. I think I see larvae. I think that's what them little white, like where my thumb is there, there's a little bit of white in there. I think that's larvae. That's a queen cell. So if they raised the queen, she could have been in there. It's empty right now. I don't necessarily mean that they did raise a queen. Okay, that's a lot of pollen down at the bottom there. That yellow. Oh, there's queen cells over here. Let's see what's in there. Nothing. Okay. But we got a lot of bees. That's a good sign because it's been over a month that that swarm happened. Oh, there's my flashlight. It's been over a month since that swarm happened, and they only live about a month, 28 days to a month, something like that. So you would think there'd be a lot less bees in here. But who knows? Let's see. This one is probably where the queen might be. If she's in here. It's really light. Yeah, I see larvae. That is a good sign. Oh, that is a real good sign. I see some queen cells on here too. That one looks like it has something in it. Huh. And so does this one. They both look like they have queens in them. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in there because they might be raising a queen, or they might have already raised the queen. There's another one. I think that's got larvae in it too. A baby bee. I don't see the queen though. If there is one in here. Let's see here. One more time. But that's all I wanted to see. That white right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But right in there where my finger is, there's white in them holes. That's larvae. Little like worm things. That is cool. I don't see much capped over brood. That's not cool. The larva means someone's laying eggs in there. Occasionally a worker bee might lay eggs, but they won't turn into a queen bee. From what I heard. Let's see what's on this one. Pretty full. A bunch of pollen. Oh, is that a queen? That might be the queen right there. It almost looks like a queen. Right there. See her? Right there. She's trying to hide. Right there. I think that's the queen. I think it is. It's either a queen or a drone. I think that's a queen though. I'll put her back in there. I think we might have a queen in here. That is cool. I should put a honey super on this one. I just want to look at this other one here. I don't see cat brood though, but that's not unusual if she just started laying. That's a bunch of nectar. It's not even capped over yet, just a bunch of nectar they're putting in there. They'll dehydrate it and then it'll turn into honey. That's a bunch of pollen, the yellow pollen, nectar up there higher. Some more queen cells. Alright. Cool. The last frame looked empty. I'm not gonna put another honey super on yet. I want to build this up a little more. I took the chance of putting on the other one already, the one that swarmed, which might have been too soon. But we'll see how it goes. I like to experiment with these. I think I saw the queen in there though. That is a good thing. Okay. Alright. I'll put a little sugar water in there. Sugar water in here for him. I like that. Help him build it up some. I don't want to put it all in there because I need to save some for the other hives. Now I got 3 gallons. Alright, let's put this beetle trap back. I didn't see no beetles really, that's good. That is good. Okay, put her back. And put to the next one. I think we're gonna go with, let's see here. We just did that one, which actually I think I saw the queen, I'm not sure. Now we're gonna go to this one. This is a new one I just put in. All I'm gonna do in this one is, let's see, do we got you lined up there? I think so. Let's bring it down a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, this one, let's see, we just installed it last week. I'm gonna put a little smoke in there. Just to calm them down. Okay. That might help calm them down a little bit. This off. Oh yeah, they won't be up there because they got blocked off. Ooh. There we go. Alright. Wow. That foam didn't work too good. That foam I put in there, oh man. It's like, I mean, it's like powder. That foam is like powder, holy cow. I gotta rinse that out.